Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we talk about MINISFORUM V3 SE 3-in-1 tablet equipped with Ryzen 7 7735U processor. So friend, MINISFORUM a new tablet with the AMD Ryzen CPU on board. And MINISFORUM has launched a more affordable variant of 3-in-1 tablet design based on AMD hardware, and the device shares many features with the original model equipped with the Ryzen 7 8840U, but there are visible differences, some of which are quite sustainable. And like the most product design for a lower price bracket, the V3 SE comes with less advanced APU, the Ryzen 7 7735U, which is many may remember, and the CPU with Gen 3 Plus cores and the 8-core CPU like with built-in NPU found in the newer 8840U used in the non-SE tablet. This means the tablet has Radeon 680M graphics instead of the 780M, and additionally MINISFORUM has downgraded the display specification from 2560 into 1600 pixel resolution at 165Hz to 9020 into 1200 pixel at 60Hz panel, and it is also much dimmer. And furthermore, the tablet memory has been reduced from 32GB to 16GB. LPDDR5 6400 MHz, and the V3 name reflects the tablet and versatility. It can function as a standalone tablet and computer and screen, and however as a standalone tablet it remains relatively expensive, priced at around 900 to 1000 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.